Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Kausar Shanbani. Today we will learn what is email marketing. So let's start. Email marketing: the use of email within your marketing efforts to promote a business's products and services, as well as incentivize customer loyalty. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. It can also be a softer sell to educate your audience on the value of your brand or keep them engaged between purchases. It can also be anything in between. MailChimp can help you design, build, and optimize your email marketing to get the best ROI in your marketing program. Level up your email marketing game. Use MailChimp's email tools and all-in-one marketing platform to grow your brand and sell more stuff. When you want to grow your brand or sell your stuff, email marketing is one of the most popular and effective tools around for marketing campaigns. In this article, we'll discuss how email marketing and the usage of promotional emails can help you to grow your business, and we'll give you a few tips to help you get started with a successful email marketing campaign. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel, a form of direct marketing as well as digital marketing, that uses email to promote your business's products or services. It can help make your customers aware of your latest items or offers by integrating it into your marketing automation efforts. It can also play a pivotal role in your marketing strategy with lead generation, brand awareness, building relationships, or keeping customers engaged between purchases through different types of marketing emails. So this is a short introduction of email marketing. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.